Hey, hi teacher. I'm Eric, and this is the second evidence. And the first question says, how many experiments were held? So in total, 5 experiments were held. And the second one, what were the experiments about? They were about different behaviors the people may have and how the human brain sometimes work. All of them were basically about the power of attraction. Like, does being a good dancer mean you got potent swimmers? And can good look can get out of jail? So those kind of stuff. And the third one says, do you think these experiments were accurate? I think some of them are. For example, the one about dancing. I have a feeling it is related, but it is not the main reason. And with the other one, I think it's true. I mean the one about people committing crimes. Do you think good-looking people get more advantages in life in general? Why? Mm, they actually do. I have experienced many times how people treat the good-looking ones and how they receive more attention. I feel somehow we feel intimidated and we act different because we want to create a good impression, and so we let them talk more. We forgive easily their mistakes, or we try to find an excuse for what he or she does wrong. And then question number five says, which experiment do you think was more interesting and why? For me, the most interesting is the experiment about how funny people are seem like more attractive, beauty or handsome. I think it's just because what they say or they do, it causes me intrigue. Do you think that certain professions or wearing an uniform have advantages related to attractiveness? Why? Um, yeah, I think maybe it works for some kind of jobs, like the ones they mentioned, like officers and police and the doctors or the teachers. They make you think that people with authority are attractive, and they make you feel like, I don't know, warm. Then the question 7 says, on the episode, did the people who committed crime have preference if someone was attractive? And yeah, all of them were absolutely guilty, but people didn't care because they were they were good looking. So instead of giving them the original sentence, they reduced it in the half, to all the pretty ones. And does being funny is equal to be more attractive? Why? I think it is not. It is not. I mean, the principal reason or the second one, like that it makes you attractive. For me, it's more like a plus of being with a person. But some people, I mean, they recognize that being funny is a reason to be with someone. I don't know. And the last one says, does dance well have a correlation with sperm count? And the answer is, at first it looked like it was related, but it is not because they did the experiment and not all of them coincide. Like just the first one and the last one. No, I think it was the second one and the last one, and all of the other examples they didn't coincide. So that's all, teacher. Um, well, bye.